Alright, so to make a road style, to kind of finish this off, we're just going to go to the Styles palette, scroll down to where we see roadways, road. To make a new one, I'm going to make a new group, so I'll make a new group. I called this one LADOT, so I'll call this LADOT2. And then I'll pick a style that kind of fits similar to what I'm working on. We don't have any green space, so I think I'm just going to take one of these two that has basically just the sidewalks, it looks like, because this is the lane that I'm going to try and mimic. Some of the striping I will not be able to do, like these little guys. Well, I guess I could if I used a repeating object from Civil 3D or from AutoCAD. I might be able to make that. We'll try that a little later. But what I'll do is I'll just take one of these guys, and then you just click on this little button right here. It says duplicate to another catalog. You tell it which catalog you'd like to go to, and then you just say OK. Then you're going to double click on that catalog. You'll click on the new style, whatever name you gave it. So I gave mine Avalon, and I'm going to edit the style. This right here controls how the style is going. The median group I think would be a good one to do this little center turn lane, and I could probably get some of those a little later and put those in. So let's see. So I'm gonna add a new piece here. I'll say new, and I'm gonna add 0.5, and I'll set this one as my striping here. So I'll put one solid lane marking on one side, and then I'll add another one. This will be the inner part of the road, so I'm going to do, if I did 0.5 for the striping and I'm going to do 0.5 on the other, I'm going to subtract 1 foot, so I'll put 8 foot for this, for the actual roadway, and then I'll go with roadway, and then I'll add another for the striping on the other side. 0.5, let's do this one here as lane marking. Looks like our lane's going to be 12, so this is our main lane, let's put that at 12. And I actually want to add in a lane marking for the bikeway here. So let's add in 0.5. And you can see that it added on this side. So if it's not in the right spot, all you have to do is kind of push it down. So I'm going to highlight this group and push it down. And I technically should be giving these names, which I have not been doing. So this is stripe. And this is actually going to be for my bikeway. And then I'm going to set that one to be white as well. So let's do lane marking. And then we need to add another road or another space in between for this. So let's do a 4-foot bike lane, and I'll add striping on the other side. So we'll do 4 foot. And I think we have a bikeway here, one I thought. Well, it is a bike lane, so I think because we usually show them as bike lanes, I'm just going to put them in green. It's grass though. I can always change the style a little later, so I'll make sure to change that. So we'll build in, this is the bike lane. And then we'll add one more piece, the striping on the other side of it. 0.5. And ooh, that one's definitely not in the right spot. So if, like I said, if they're not in the right spot, all you have to do is just kind of maneuver it around until you get it into the right spot. So to remove a piece, just highlight the one you want to remove. So I want to remove this other piece. Their bikeways, they're using this weird color that I really don't care for. So I'll remove that. At any time, you can always zoom in and pan to see what's going on. So you can see I already have my curve here, so I need to insert my other parking lane here. So I can do that. And then we can talk about in a minute how to get things that repeat. And I'll see if I can work on getting some. So let's test this style. I'm going to show you how to add those in another video, so I'll just go ahead and drag this over. Oh, my math looks like I'm going to zoom in here because I made my little style here right there. Should update. So I'll definitely have to work on what I'm going to do with this, guy here, but not too bad. Oh, it looks like we do have the bollards in there that I don't want. Those are not in the right spot. So to get rid of those, I'm just going to go to Edit. And this is going to be the same way we're going to be editing or adding these guys and the little stripe stuff, is do the decorations. And one of them looks like right here, striping, I have this bollard here, and I just want to delete him, and then I'll have clothes. But in the next video, I'll show you how to actually add those in. So I'll say OK, and we should get updated. There they go. All right.